Hello guys, today I'm going to talk very important tips of subject matter of academic and general training writing task 2. Tips: before starting your writing, take time 3 to 4 minutes for thinking. 1. Urbanization. 2. Deforestation. 3. Choice of transportation. 4. Preservation of environment. 5. Employment choice. 6. Health and healthcare facilities. 7. Child labor. 8. Economic development. 9. Disparity in wealth and equitable distribution of wealth. 10. Greenhouse effect. 11. Culture or cultural difference. 12. Sports. 13. Globalization. 14. Pollution. 15. Population and control of population. 16. Use or rights of animals. 17. The ozone layer. 18. Extinction of a species. 19. Social welfare. 20. International aid and help. 21. Vegetarianism. 22. Safety. 23. Effects of technology on society. 20. For nuclear energy. 25. Development of third world countries. 26. Education. 27. Child care. 28. Role of fathers and mothers in different issues. 29. Source of energy. 30. Space research. 31. Communication. 32. Role of media. 33. World peace. 30. For studying abroad. 35. Lifestyle. 36. Law and order. 37. Television. 38. Computer. 39. Crime. 40. Drug abuse. 41. Women rights. 42. Human rights. 43. Capital punishment. 40. For industrialization. 45. Genetic engineering. 46. Duties of government.